Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect ServiceNow to Microsoft Teams notifications step by step clearly. To connect ServiceNow to Microsoft Teams for notifications, start by logging into your ServiceNow instance. Navigate to the System Notification application in the left-hand menu. Select Email and then click on Notification. Click on New to create a new notification. Fill in the required fields, including name and table. In the When to Send section, define the conditions for triggering the notification. Under Who will receive, specify the recipient as a Microsoft Teams channel or users. Next, move to the What it will contain section. Here, you can customize the message with variables from your ServiceNow instance. Now, open your Microsoft Teams application. Select the channel where you want to receive notifications. Click on the three dots next to the channel name, then choose Connectors. In the Connectors window, look for Incoming Webhook and click on Add. Give the webhook a name and optionally upload an image. Click Create and copy the generated webhook URL. Return to ServiceNow and go back to the notification you created. In the What it will contain section, paste the webhook URL into the appropriate field for sending messages. Make sure to format the message according to Teams requirements for optimal presentation. Once everything is set, click Submit to save your notification. Now, test the notification to ensure it is functioning correctly. You can do this by triggering the event defined in your When to Send conditions. Check the specified Microsoft Teams channel for the notification's arrival. If it appears as expected, your connection is successfully established. If not, review your settings to ensure everything is correctly configured. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.